In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the App Store with Face ID. If you've ever wanted to streamline your app purchasing experience or simply make it more secure, Face ID offers a fantastic solution. So let's dive in and get you set up. First, let's begin by navigating to your device's settings. In this section, you'll find numerous options to manage your phone's functionality. What you're looking for here is the section labeled Face ID and Passcode. This is where you'll configure the settings for using Face ID, not just for unlocking your phone, but also for your iTunes and App Store purchases. Once you've found Face ID and passcode, go ahead and tap on it. At this point, your device will prompt you to enter your passcode. This step is crucial because it ensures that you have the necessary permissions to adjust these privacy settings. It can be easy to forget your passcode, so make sure you've got it on hand before starting. After successfully entering your passcode, you'll be taken to a page with a series of toggle options. Among these, you will find one labeled iTunes and App Store. This option, when turned on, allows Face ID to be used for app purchases. Simply slide the toggle to the on position. Now you're almost set up. The next step is to open up the App Store itself. This is where the magic happens. Try finding an app that you're interested in and tap on it as if you're going to download or purchase it. When you decide to download this app, your device will automatically prompt you to confirm the action. Here's where Face ID comes into play. Instead of typing in your Apple ID password, you'll use Face ID to verify the download. As you proceed to download or purchase, Face ID will prompt you to look at your device to confirm your identity. Your effort in setting this up will pay off here, as it's a quick and seamless process. In seconds, you'll have your new app ready to use. Remember, using Face ID not only adds a layer of security, but also makes the purchasing process so much smoother. No need to type out your password each time, just a glance and off you go. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making your app downloading experience simpler and secure with Face ID. Explore the App Store with the confidence that your transactions are protected and your purchasing process is as efficient as ever. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.